Ebusian for aha Ghana Asem TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Ebusian for Nipa Baku, as I say, I have come to respect and appreciate our MPP communications team. Nemo, your sister Ellen Amadaku. Obamodin pa ebano the ladies side Ellen Amadaku any Queen Jennifer. First, na me pay Queen Jennifer asem, because na me pay the style of communications. Na me feel say too harsh, too giddy. When say me a quiet person, me a calm person. Na me call TV ni radio so as na me communicate me to me bo kasa chire nyamemu. But I've come to realize say sometimes we tactics na say sisan kakra. Yan de bia na say we calm, we composed, we all put together. Yan de bia sometimes deliberately no say we kon buga because NDC for omuba TV station no omuba with the mindset say they want to come and make any reasoning or come and make any sound argument. They are coming there omuba omudi buga na ebesha. And some omudi buga ba who quite gentle obesha no meji time ni nyina free unsem edika kosasem omuya they have achieved their purpose omuna muko no. And these two women, no, Ellen Amadako and then Queen Jennifer, no, especially about positions, say, no, they are doing extremely well. Most especially Ellen, right? Now, Ellen has started another battle. In this battle, no, between Ellen and Sammy Jenfi. Ellen versus Sammy Jenfi round 1. Now, question now, Ellen, Ebisan, is simple. Sammy Jenfi. Abe kachire Ghana force Akufo-Addo Nebuchadnezzar ni trimu odin papa adena ni trimu odin osi Akufo-Addo is supervising over a government see a new Bank of Ghana na a useless. The new Bank of Ghana no a useless and who here sikaseye na bebiana Bank of Ghana no the old one no osi ohodie a very good place pristine condition mo just be pristine condition mo I can say it is virtually new. She say everything is fresh, it's still fresh. It can say pristine condition. They say Ghana for business as Sammy Jenfi. Eban saying na idea number 1 who say our pristine condition muno. Who be na PMMC ewo no. Mu free ho. You na PMMC ewo. Mu free ho say Old Bank of Ghana no. Oho na wako set up office ewo. Eban saying. Na and see wow. Wako office company wo ho no ade a wo see pristine condition mo no Sammy Jenfi sika wo spend the renovation no ya dwi wa yenti ase to the extent say utimi use over 3 million Ghana cedis about 3 billion at the kitchen cabinet place no kitchen cabinet o aden ebe no aboduma osrabofo ho na office ni mo yebe no misi osrabodo ema Yesu ana ade a say pristine condition no sika Sammy Jenfi see omo use for renovation baby a onu see pristine condition mo no ebusianfo muti amakuma bete. You will cry for this country. And that is why Ghana force are about to obia so. Because what Sammy Jenfi and his likes are chopping Ghana money this way, are spending Ghana money as if there is no tomorrow, no. Nurses are yet to be paid. Teachers are yet to be paid. Railway workers are yet to be paid. Civil and local government workers yet to be paid. Jobs yet to be created. Mu say asema ye ka de bia no, asema me ka de bia no. Mu say mu amu di mani hwe. Asema me ka de bia. Sa NDC for we no. Sa NDC for we. Mu de mu ntwen. Sa me je fi koswa this cancer. Why? Enjoy koswa 2029 den a ebeba 2029 so upo ebeba na NPP back to power so feel say baba yes my learned colleague, my learned friend bioma obi bia oye NPP ni obeka sa my learned colleague, my learned friend no sanipa no or automatically or on his way out of abino min kan dadam yan betwima mu biomu yan betwima mu biomu mu de mu fi say agro mu nchro obebi ansio nto nchro for let's go and listen to what Ghanaians reaction are about Samijin fiscal or spending year renovation or so-called renovation or pristine old Bank of Ghana. But before then, Abusian for ye pamucho, ye studio no still ye appeal for funds no ye pamucho mumboy why mumboy so far you're raising $90 total money no target ni $2,300 we Ghana cedis more 2,525,000 Ghana cedis more na met me a boy the Abusian for ye pamucho mumboy why kitwa bia nswa yenim say emre no ayedi won bebia but ye GD pass yakopon bebie kwan ma na mo etumi aboa yen so eda ma se na mo yen de bia na ba na screen asien. Now let's go and listen to Ghanaians.
O my no nanke so wo mo nton so ya trust ya dwo so mo ton kwara has ka de ye nya bi
ya baton unso afra
no na me je no na mamira ho
ya do ba ka o man no ho ne aton nti ne ton ne de anya de e beba so NDC for beton ye beton wasefo ye beton maame no papa ti se odwin se ye koton ni abra obi adia anya de e besi anope de mema Ghana fo mrante ne mbabaawa muni adwuma na mukwaji NDC for di year on 24-hour economy mema munyina ya akọ Ekwia, there's a reason why me mom yako. Me mom yako because apart from the fact say muni adwuma na ukwaji omudi ye no. Omo ase awia mo aka ho. Especially omo kwato security forms no. The first batch ye soldier for no omo na omo pese omo kodi soldier. Omo kwato forms. Na omo de omo kwato owuo. Sama you assess no. Nyame inform krensie because omo carry your musika edikoto owuo ba kunu still ogusu okoma mu ye pagya ni free kumase de ne baye no ogusu 37 wonke kan ho omie nani she still in a coma onu carry sika mi kopa adwuma ye NDC fo ahye yembo ti mi kopa adwuma ye ena omo akai omo so over 500,000 mako person ye per 500 pe na mako to enimguasia ne ka na ye nya generasi edunketia mi ame wofa be ka kire mo se mo ya akronfo na ti mo nyina mo pe soja akono hwan mo pe police akono hwan no be wi ade ama ya kire no. A whole chairman of a party am promising 24 hours. Chairman and any abre so up a president edi. So who bua omu. Ni sebe. Oh, I just say he doesn't take you serious. He doesn't take the young people of this country serious. Nanya sa uko share nkwala bo uko share young people bo. Na do buy an employment situation to say. Mo amu ni mu no, de bia me de me ba meka mo Gen Z fo no. Na do abresu ni yenya unemployed graduate association mo kai.
Yeah.
Okay. Nan meka Joma Hama one abresu. Sorry. Nanado betu unemployed graduate association.
And the man kofa napko de buy.
The man kofa napko buy. Before then, na ye won krofo bi so ho sister omo awie school a frustration yenye adwuma. Aso Joma Hama one. Na dum so ni kum yen fan krofo adwuma mu se mu refi a omo no mo ko IMF ko je embargo to employment so government employment for 4 years, so 3 years. Na ye infa nipa e wo Ghana ha. Murafi. Wonso wa say ha kwaji another one to security employment so 5,000. Mini say 5,000 for the whole 3 years so say 5,000 a year. I just don't get them. Na mu wi amase agye nkrofo ni sika. Say almost in the pabe ahina qualify so mo be call for health screening. Almost to see a bet you be 1,600 1,700 for health screening. Say nipa more than 100,000 na qualifier. Can you imagine? Basically na mudi as we be 500 pe. E ti obi ko fa napko ba ye say enkura nkwala yi mu. Emo kakra whilst we pick them kakra napko. Anye bia mini se nipa over 60,000 in the year adwuma ye. Mo NDC for mo hiri kire mu se nyampa. Mo young people yi so mo je tu mu. Eti NDC for be twi mu adida. Meanwhile we mates, we schoolmates, we age mates sami jamfi. Sama hu abraba obo. Obebo abrabo, obebo sa abra na kire mo. Ama mahu se sebe mo yankwase afo because mo na wakoto aba ama no. Mo na wakoto aba, obeda mo no. Wakoto aba ama no. Yeti krom ha na ono sami jamfi sa small boy we. Ebe ka kire yen say procurement bi e fe bibi so bo kan say so whatever. Enye
All source.
abubu edi atem. Nyame ba ene am opportunity a. Woni chief of staff, deputy chief of staff. No ma ye kanana. Say wo koye kitchen 3 billion. Edan ya yan so also ko renovate. Enye omo NDC for ni omo MPs. And omo call demonstration. Bank of Ghana mo be kaya 2024. Yenya NDC MPs impanyufo, papa impanyufo. And nanti call Bank of Ghana say Bank of Ghana for si dan foforo. Number 2 akom na ye waste of money. Eti Bank of Ghana dine, it is in a pristine condition. I say be any ho. It is a yes dine we aban dada na si dine we no more to mu na makwatena mu first Bank of Ghana for mu na makotu akwatena mu. Na mu dine si wa ye renovation. A dine na a year ago na asemu ni ho no. A dine na just a year ago asemu ni ho it is in pristine condition. Am ko ho demonstration no. And then the yetimi ye renovation 11 million. Na ye renovation am person mo try and say Ghana ha ifu de ye Ghana for kra yan kan sinche NDC mu is bebelebe ye ni contractor wom ye ni mason wom ye ni interior decorator wom ye ni carpenter wom obi a all the chief of staff ono in ye the contract na money company na ye kwa kan ya se matin kwase asema wa kan a kire mo o se ono no entie onye ne den NDC aba mu ntia e se ne company gu so Martin Sanfu on catch them. Mimi NDC ni eti contract na mfa me ho. But who NDC full soldier? Who NDC constituency organizer, constituency executive? Even NDC regional and national executives as our contract. Who can say constituencies one cry 38 constituencies. More executives, the chairman for secretary for ye chesa contract imam no obi abi capital di baye obi di mason baye obi di we baye enti emma grassroots ni sika eso okwabrani akoje oji 11 million ni wie no ase age kitchen cabinet sika eni microwave eni cooker aka ho NDC mu na man ni ho NDC women organizer ni the deputies said ma we omuntimi nye omuntimi supply Why I say can't was ya so much. Yes, it's not only go board. Yes, almost all government institutions in such a chief of staff. And ye run another down Kwakufado, a president. And Ankasan Sobuachi, time I know your deputy chief of staff. Abuji Napo, time I know your deputy chief of staff. Ne company, Kwaji, Juma Seya, and Kasaman and this for Kasami Jamfi, Kobeya Nano, Wabasum Nanu Tintin have a press conference. Abacam was Yasama. And so this is deputy chief of staff of Koya, the Yankaya Nuntum, the Bois. Say I am what's Yansa. It's more young people, not this for young people, no. Monsampa, Mulidas, listen, my Jimmy. William Yansa, for it's almost the mobile Juma. No more Jessica Neddy. Meanwhile, airplane for front of him. You're an another damn Kwakufuado, dear uncle free plane that I don't know. If you say John Mahama, you need Pacha and Anado. John Mahama, or you're more Ghanaian, Echa and Anado. It's an Anado, uncle fruit that I know. No, and so John Mahama, dear, or Fra, Bibiano, and to the young Sika, Nimia, Aquatop plane. You know, Timuno did 2 coins. Meanwhile, Takwada, my Goldfields mine, Nimian, watch it, Samunima, Wajiaka, black water, the other. Eti John Mahama, you're a nipper. You ran another Sabio or Yabua. It's already uncle fruit. No, Okujata Blackwa. Because and the sister pliers I had the bottle glass, I won't yet. Nipper Bonini. A branch or Nipper Bonini, he's an